Okay, I don't know if everyone can see this. We have this toy for our grandson. It's a great little mini excavator, but we just had an issue. He was carrying it from across the yard, and he's 3 years old, and he got to right here, and he was just at the perfect height that even when he set it down, this thing had pressure on his fingers, and he was screaming at the top of his lungs. Even right there, that's really painful for me. But it had his fingers stuck in there. They should make some sort of stop or something that comes across here, so because this is a serious pinch point. Hopefully everyone can see that. But even for me, that's all that weight, all that leverage is on a finger, and that's hurting my finger. I have to keep it up right here. He's 3, so if you have a toddler and your boy and he moves it around the yard, be careful. And he's moved this thing many times before, and I guess today he just had his fingers in here instead of here or here, and it pinched him and it stopped him in his tracks, and he's been crying for a little bit now. So little safety thing there.
Are you gonna help me?
I'm watching you. Nice, that's a good bucket full. Nice. It's okay.
Let's stay and have these good pants on for work.
We'll do some laundry later. It's all good. We got a lot of dirt to move.
I can't wait for Christmas. See what Grandma got to me. Can't wait to go to Florida. Oh, so much water. I don't even know where to put.
It's not really doing anything. This side works good to lift, but I think this is supposed to be, it's not even connected to nothing. I'm not really sure. I think it's supposed to lift the bucket, but it's not hooked properly to do that.
Oh, look at me. Look at me. Are you happy?
I can't move it. Where is
Thank you, miss. That's all right. Good job. That works pretty good, doesn't it? You have to fluff it up again.
Show me, bud. Awesome. Picking up. Oh, you're
pine cone?
pine cone. Scoop it up. Scoop it up.
I know, go pick it up. I know, go pick it up.
When Kaya buys herself a new toy.
Good job. Good job, Bubba.
Yeah.
Right.
You're all right.
Every time I jump in that water to go get John.